Yo, what's going on YouTube? We back with another video today. So today we actually got a new install for Susie, and it's the Idoing head unit. Like, I've been wanting this for a while now. Actually, to be honest with y'all, my head unit's been actually having a little bit of problems because right now, whenever I actually go on it, my thing just freezes and stuff, or it just stops working, or it doesn't work to the volume, or it skips music. It's just a bunch of problems. So went ahead and just upgraded it today with Jacob. Got a Z today. Done a little bit. I'll introduce y'all to the car later on. Maybe when he gets his exhaust or something, I'll put y'all on the channel. Z's pretty clean though. It's pretty good, I ain't gonna lie. But I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. I'm gonna show y'all what comes with it, and then we'll go on from there. All right, so we just did the unboxing. Here is the screen. Y'all see it? Here's a wiring kit. Ain't gonna lie, it's kind of stressful to look at, but I'll actually be following a video from Boost and Shutter because he did like a step-by-step process. And also the funny part is when I went to go buy the screen, the same day as when Chris Borg posted a YouTube video of him installing the same thing. And I was like, yo, no way, what is odds? So I usually use this discount code. Shout out to Chris Borg. But if you ever see this video, hey bro, like the videos. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start and put the wires that I don't need in, and then we can go outside and take the head unit out from inside the car. Actually, changing the plans. I'm actually gonna go outside and uninstall the head unit and then bring it in here because I don't want to bring it out there because it's hot, and also too because I don't want to get scratched up. So let's go and jump outside. I'm actually gonna link the video of removing the whole process and installing the head unit from Boost and Shutter himself in the description. So I'm gonna go ahead and time lapse the whole thing for y'all, and then we'll get the screen out. All right guys, sorry the camera cut off, but this is where I kind of got to right now, I'm not gonna lie. It's a little scary, bro, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But let's just keep pushing through. I'm just following along with the video, so let's just keep going with it. All right, so we finished taking it out. I'm just laying it on my bed right now. But here is the Idoing, here's the stock. It's ginormous and super heavy compared to this, but also, you know, this has the vents and stuff. So we gotta transfer the vents over, touch controls, and I think we gotta move this over to here, but I don't know if I should put it under or the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it, and I'll show y'all after. All right, little update. That is done, sir. The Idoing currently has all the buttons and the vents and everything, and the temp controls. Only problem is mine's a bass audio, so it's not like no harming card on none. But this is the telematics unit. Mine doesn't actually. I'm watching the video right now, but mine doesn't actually fit where it's supposed to fit. So I don't know if I'm able to mount it on the top. If I can do this, this is fine. I'm happy with that. But I can't really fit this back here. So get back to you on that. But I'm about to plug the wires in. So let me show you about that after. So I finished connecting everything. I don't think they gave me a microphone wire, unless with the newer ones it's built in or something, because only problem I see that fits this is either right here, but that wouldn't make sense, or it's like a connection on the car that I kind of missed or something. I probably have everything plugged in, except for the antenna, GPS, and the SIM card, because I won't really need those. I just want to use CarPlay anyways. Got all these wires plugged in, so let's go ahead and head out to the car. All right, so we back out in the car. I don't have a good camera angle enough to hold it and show y'all where to plug it in, so at least the video shows y'all and everything, so I'll get back to you when everything's plugged in. All right, so we just tucked all the wires in. Now turn the car to see if the screen works. Yes sir, but finally, but it's just annoying as shit. Yeah, make sure the reverse works. Nah, go. There it is. Alright, go ahead and turn it off. All right, so let's go ahead and fit the rest of the screen on. All right, we finally got the screen in. Thing is, this doesn't entirely fit the best right here. But I'm gonna replace that with a carbon one eventually anyways. So I guess we'll be fine for now. Go ahead and take these tapes off so I can scratch it. And all right, so update, I was messing with it with Cade for a little bit and we actually got it to be flush fitment-ish. That's pretty good actually. Everything's good now, but I got another secret surprise install for y'all. I actually got these AC vent knobs from what are they called? Link it down below, don't worry about it. But got this for the SI drive and then these for the AC. Matches the e-brake. And I'm gonna get the short shifter whenever I get it. That'll be red too. So let's go ahead and install that real quick.
Last one. This one will
All right, satisfying peel time. I'm gonna start messing around with the screen a little bit, and I'm with Kay right now, so me and him gonna test out audio and stuff like that. I can't record for y'all because it's copyright and everything, but it's hot as hell, so I'll get back to y'all whenever it's the end of the video. All right, so Cade and his girl just left and everything. We actually went to go get food, and I'll be honest, the new audio sounds amazing. Like, I mean, it could be a little bit more basic, but with the settings I put on it, it sounds so good, especially with the kick your door speaker upgrade. Like, it was amazing. Oh yeah, I forgot to update on y'all on something, but as of right now, I did actually take out the what's it called? I didn't need the reverse and everything because my car didn't have that, and I took out the sub installation stuff because I mean I don't got no sub anyways. I'm not gonna do it anytime soon. I might put it back in when I put the carbon trim in because I plan on doing the OEM Plus audio upgrade. Not anytime soon. It's expensive, but we'll get to it. But so worth it. Like, I'll be honest, it's so worth it. But if y'all enjoyed the video, make sure y'all go down, hit the like, subscribe, and the bell notifications so y'all get posted whenever I post a new video. And I'll see y'all later.